When you ask yourself the question, what can I sell to make money online? Your focus should be on what can you sell to others so they can instantly make money online themselves. I'm sure you've been over to Fiverr, or maybe you haven't heard of Fiverr yet, but Fiverr is basically a place where you can go and you can get people to do work for you. In this case, you're going to outsource, or you're going to hire someone to write an article or a blog post. So you're going to pay these writers to write your content for you, and then you're going to pay them for their service, and they're going to turn over the license. They're going to grant you the rights to utilize the content that they've written for you. That's the deal. Fiverr is a site that does that, as well as Upwork. But I want to talk about a marketplace that allows you to do this same type of service, but then sell it to a group of people that know about this marketplace, and they come here specifically to buy. And this is the top seller. You can see here 1,171 products that are on sale right now on this marketplace, out of a total of 6,745 products for sale in this category, meaning that yes, there's competition, but this product is in a high demand. This product is PLR white label content that you're going to create. So what am I talking about? I'm talking about PLR white label content. This is customizable content. This is content that you're going to create and sell, but you're only going to create it once, and you're going to sell it to an audience that is looking for content that is a tailor-made resource for them, that you're going to sell the license at a premium price, so those folks can use it as their own content. So instead of writing it or trying to fight for jobs over at Fiverr for 20 bucks or 10 bucks or even 80 bucks to write a piece of content, a blog post, or some type of content that people can repurpose and use in a blog or articles or social media content or even video scripts, you're going to benefit from the fact that this audience is looking to buy this content with this license, this PLR, private label rights license, or this white label license, because it saves them time. It saves them time. The cost effectiveness of the fact that they can get access to this resource that's already done and customized, or they get to customize it, but you've customized it on your end, and you also are giving them a wide range of formats, or giving them a license to allow them to sell this content that you've created in different formats. So you go back and you look at this and you say, okay, Warrior Plus is a marketplace. It already has a category, PLR white label. How do you tap into this? Well, if you were to go and look at the offers that are currently there as an affiliate, these are people that are selling PLR. So you look at these offers, the offers right here, these are all PLR offers. These are pieces of content or bundles of content where writers have written a bunch of content that is ready to be published. Yeah, it's going to need a little editing, but that is on the people that buy it. They are aware of the fact that they're going to buy this content and they're going to sell it. So look, 250 sales average $16.32. If you were to bring up a calculator and just do some simple math, 250 sales times $16.32, the creator of this PLR, which would be you, this is the thing you're going to sell. You're going to sell private label rights, white label content that you're going to research and write. You're going to make $4,080 by selling it over at Warrior Plus. You simply do that by creating an offer. And here is a video detox pack that I created. It was a set of scripts and videos that I sold white label PLR rights in 2020, and I made $1,165 over on Warrior Plus. I did the same thing with some PLR coloring book information, some images, and some ideas for creating a coloring book. I made $3,000. Here is another one. This is my list of offers right here. I want to scroll down and focus in on this one because this is the best thing that I ever created. It was called the Puzzle Word List Database. Originally, I sold $9,310 worth. By the time I set up a recurring membership at $4 a month, I'd cleared almost $20,000. The idea here was simply that I was creating puzzle word books or puzzle books that had words, list of words inside of these puzzle books. So word searches, word scrambles, like the puzzle you see here. And all I did is I made these word lists And then I sold the rights to these word lists, and then I bundled them up, and then I sold them again on Warrior Plus because they were just lists of words. They were just content. The same thing these writers are doing over at Fiverr. They become an expert in a few fields, but they leave themselves open to be able to write on any aspect just by doing a little bit of research. And then you take that idea, you take that concept, just like I did, and you just have this content that you are then willing to license. You create the content, you package it up, and you let people know, hey, this is content that I spent time researching. I validated it. I verified it. It's written at a certain level. It's written at a certain angle. It's written for a certain purpose. It's ready to go. It's packaged up for you, the person that you're going to sell it to. You're talking to them and you're saying, look, I wrote this content for you so you can buy it from me, and then you can do exactly what you want to do, which is go out there and make money with this content. And that's what you want to do. You want to create something that you can sell to an audience that they can instantly turn into money to themselves. And that's what creating PLR and white label content is, and selling it over at a marketplace like Warrior Plus. It is creating a product that is super helpful, that solves a problem, and that they can, again, instantly turn into money because they're going to purchase the license from you to resell or to repackage the content as their own. If this is something that sounds interesting to you and you'd really like to focus on the way this works and see exactly how to do it step by step, I've got a workshop, link in the description. Check it out. It's going to walk you through 3 different modules. It's going to show you exactly how to do this and sell it on Warrior Plus step by step. Link in the description. Thanks for checking out this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.